you're not just my big sister, but a lifelong built-in best friend. And for that, I am so grateful. I have so much love and respect for you. I hope you know that now and never ever forget it.
Erin, the moment we were introduced, I knew this day would come. I had never seen my brother so happy and full of life. Thank you for loving him the way you do. Thank you for breaking him out of his shell. Thank you for caring for him and not being afraid to whip him into shape when need be.
John, you never cease to make me laugh. You're always down for drinks after work. Well, drinks after anything.
To say I'm proud to be your little brother would be an understatement. Throughout my life, you may not have known it, but you had a monumental impact on the man I am today. Whether it being your wrestling move practice dummy, dirt bike riding partner, person to talk with, laugh with, or cry with, through it all, you taught me life lessons I'll never forget.
We're here on this beautiful day to celebrate something truly special, the love and friendship between Erin and Jonathan.
Erin, I promise to love you unconditionally, to support your dreams, and to cherish every moment we share. With you, I am complete, and I vow to spend my life proving how much you mean to me. I got you, babe. I got you today. I got you forever.
Jonathan, I vow to love you fiercely, to honor you, and to support you in all your dreams and aspirations. Through every season of life, I will choose you, today, tomorrow, and for all the days to come. You are my partner, my best friend, and my greatest adventure. I love you completely and unconditionally, and I cannot wait to be your wife.
Erin and Jonathan, you are officially married. Jonathan, you may kiss the bride.
Together, you two are meant to explore the world. And remember, wherever you are, your love for each other is what's home.
All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever strong. Through it all.
As you begin on this beautiful life with your love, Erin, it's clear to everyone how truly happy you are. Erin, you bring out the best in him, and for that we are all so grateful.
All the world is ours to take.
Tonight we celebrate your happiness, the next chapter of your life, and all the years to come. To Erin and John.